Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a medium that I just solved. I struggled a lot, had to look at ChatGPT solution, but I tweaked it a little bit and finally came up with my own. So I guess you could, I'll still come back to this one, but I really think this one's kind of fucking bullshit because you have to do things in an optimized way, but basically decrement each of these subarrays by this amount. And then if it ever reaches 0 as the max element, then return that index. So for IQ, and enumerate queries for j and range q0 to q1 plus 1 nums of j minus equal to q2, and at any point if max of nums is less than or equal to 0, return I plus 1, otherwise return -1, and if max of nums was originally less than or equal to 0, then you just return 0. Fuckers don't accept this solution for some stupid reason because they think it's too slow, so you have to use binary search. And I just think it's some bullshit. Like, you should reward problem solving instead of memorizing tricks, but here we are. And so what they want you to do is go left, right is 0 length of queries. Okay, so while left is less than or equal to right, mid is this one. So that's the one we're going to choose, and we're going to go all the way up to that one and accumulate and see if it's good or not. If it is, then it's going to be an element because we want the minimum. Shrink the space, otherwise don't. If answer is float of infinity, then return -1, else return answer. Okay, so what they want you to do is define is good, mid. Again, I kind of took some of this from ChatGPT, but I played around with it and changed some things. So basically, now we can do what we just did. So for j and range up to mid, so we don't process the whole thing, nums of, what is it called? So start and end is queries mid 0. Wait, you want to process everything up to mid. So left and right is start and end is going to be, I think it's supposed to be queries of mid 0. Wait, so if we're doing this one, then we still have to go all the way up to it. So for j and range up to mid, for, well, start and end is queries j0, queries j1, and for k and range s to n plus 1, nums of k. Let's do the copy. Nums of k minus equal to queries j2. And then if max of nums is less than or equal to 0, return true, otherwise return false. So just equal to 0. So submit this. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, let's do this now. So it's supposed to be 1. Infinity. Okay, so if max of nums is less than or equal to 0, then return 0. So, oh, sorry, max of h. Come on, fucking reload. I don't, oh my god. This fucking thing is so slow. I swear to God. Okay. Because as a temporary one, we don't want to mess up the original. Let's, come on. Okay. Fuck fucking piece of shit. I don't know why that's the case, because this is probably too slow. So you want to do the difference array technique. So 0 times length of nums. And then chain range mid cur of s minus equal to queries j2, which is this number, if e plus 1 less than length of current e plus 1 plus equals to queries j2, because we want to subtract this much from a range instead of adding. And then, okay, so for now, for j in range, length h of j plus equals to cur of j, and then we do that. Nope. Queries j2. What the for k. Fucking come on. Oh my god, I'm not trying to do this right now. This is so dumb. Just nums.copy. Let's print current and mid. Okay, so current list iter tools dot accumulate current. So we actually reflect the changes. And there you go. So passes all test cases. Was a fucking hassle though, and even had to look at ChatGPT solution. I wish they would just make these more user friendly, because again, like I said in the last video, if they keep doing this, I'm going to cancel my subscription and they're going to be losing customers, because this is not very empathetic to require this level of a solution. But either way, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.